Let me share with you how to make a simple and incredibly satisfying hot dog and egg fried rice. This is a classic comfort food that is both easy to prepare and sure to be a hit with the whole family. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a wok or large pan over medium heat. Pour in 2 beaten eggs. Let the eggs cook for just a moment until the edges begin to set, then quickly scramble them with your spatula. This technique creates soft, fluffy pieces that are full of flavor. Next, add 1 chopped hot dog, a handful of diced cucumber, and the chopped white parts of 1 spring onion to the pan. Stir fry these together for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until they are heated through and the onion becomes fragrant. Now add 2 cups of leftover cooked rice to the pan. Using the back of your spatula, gently press down on any clumps of rice. This helps to separate the grains so each one can cook evenly. Continue to stir fry the mixture, occasionally pressing down on the rice as you go. This ensures that every ingredient is well combined and that the rice heats through properly. For seasoning, add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. The soy sauce provides a deep, savory flavor that is the heart of this dish. Increase the heat to high. Give the fried rice one final, vigorous stir fry for about 1 minute. This high heat will release a wonderful savory aroma and give the rice a perfect texture. Just before you are done, add a generous handful of chopped green spring onion tops. Their fresh sharp flavor is the perfect finish. Stir fry everything together for just another 20 seconds. This is just enough time to warm the fresh greens and blend their flavor into the rice. Your fried rice is ready. Serve it hot. The combination of fluffy eggs, savory hot dog, crisp cucumber, and fragrant rice creates a meal that is wonderfully delicious and deeply comforting. It is a simple dish that everyone, from adults to children, will love to eat.